Greetings from Starbucks Cafe in Copenhagen Airport. This is a demonstration of a little mini game that got created in Magikcraft at a recent sort of coding event we held with kids. A bunch of the kids were distracted. They've played a bunch of Magikcraft. They're bored with the existing campaigns. They're playing a bunch of mini games. So we're kind of like, what are we going to do? Are we going to make them wrong? Are we going to resist this? And then we're like, you know what? Let's tap into whatever it is about what they're doing that they really like. So we had them pitch ideas for mini games at the whiteboard and then build one. We said, let's build this mini game in the next 30 minutes in Magikcraft. And we did. And here's what it looks like. So we're here in the town of Kegum. Let's fly out here into a bit of an open space. It's called Platforms. And if you know much about Minecraft minigames, you'll recognize this kit. I'm just going to go here and I'm going to cast Platforms. Platforms, maybe? Nope. Let's have a look at what spells I do have. Spells I do have. Platformer. So cast Platformer. Here it goes. So it's running. Okay, you can see I'm kind of teleporting up into the air now. If I look down, what's happening down here is that a circle of lava is being generated in the world. And directly underneath it, which you can kind of see on the edges there, it's generating a layer of bedrock underneath which stops it from falling down. In the first sort of iteration of this game, when we built it with the kids, the lava was dripping down. So we've put a layer of bedrock underneath, and you can see starting above that layer of bedrock here, it's coming the first layer of glass. Now once the bedrock and the lava has built into this circle, then there will be another 4 layers of glass that will appear over the top of that, and that will appear at a pretty high speed once this most expensive layer, the bedrock and lava has been laid down. Now while that's happening, while this one's baking, I'm going to show you the code that's used to generate this. So we go here to the Magikcraft spellbook. Here's the code here. So yeah, it uses Magic Global, so we can create a global namespace. And the reason we do that is because when the first game is over, they want to regenerate it, but we just regenerate the glass, not the whole thing. Bunch of things here. Platform is initialized or not. If it is initialized, then we teleport to the initial position to rebuild the glass layers. If it's not initialized, we remember where we are right now, and then we build these layers. And we're building a layer of bedrock, a layer of lava, and then you can see here we use a loop to build 5 layers of glass, and we have a 1 second time between starting each of those. Let's see where we're up to with actually building the thing. Back to the game. So we're getting pretty close here to having that bottom layer completed, and then you'll see these 5 glass layers will just magically appear pretty much immediately as soon as that gets done. So the goal in this game is when the 5 layers are here, that you stand on the top layer and you try to smash the glass underneath the other players so that they fall down into the lava and burn. So the first person, there you go, you've got 5 layers of glass. It's called Spleef. It's the original kind of Minecraft minigame. So you jump on here, smash your way through, and you got to smash. It's a multiplayer game, when you've got multiplayers, you smash your way through and you fall through into these different levels. And then of course, because kids have different spells, they can cast those, and they can use various other spells. It makes it a bit more interesting with magic, especially once people start doing things like this. Let's make it nighttime so we can have a bit more fun. Cast my fly spell again to go back up. Whoa! Let me just smash my way out of here. Oh no! What's happened? Oh yeah, zombies who are on fire have got me. I'm going to smash my way back out. Oh! Cast fly. Okay, I'm going to fly up here and drop some lightning on these guys. Cast a fireball spell. So yeah, it's a kind of a cool little mini game they created, and with magic it makes it a little bit more interesting.